Sorry. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title and as you can see, today we are doing a mukbang. Okay, listen. Kudos to everybody, all the mukbangers out there, because doing this setup took forever. Like, forever. Anywho. Alright, y'all. So, let me go ahead and tell y'all what we got. We got some king crab. We got some lobster tails. Of course, eggs. We have potatoes. And we also have sausage and shrimp. And then I do have like one cluster left from when my kids was eating. One cluster of snow crabs, y'all. Oh my God. My mouth is watering. Okay. Whew. Let's see. Yeah. I'm so hungry. We're gonna do a little chit chat, but let me just taste my food right quick, and yeah, we're gonna do a little chit chat. And by the way, I made my own sauce, so it's kind of similar to Bloves sauce, but I don't use as much. I'm gonna have to move the sauce a little closer to me because yeah, I don't use as much like salt and like as much seasonings as she do. But let me move this closer to me because I'm trying to do it right, y'all. But listen, I said to myself that I was not going to do any mukbangs because I don't want to be eating in front of everybody. Like, I got my water. Let me make sure. Alright. Let's get into it. I usually eat an egg first, but we're going to eat this lobster tail first. Let me let y'all see. Y'all see that? Ooh. Yes, baby. Hold on, huh? Oh my God. I don't know if y'all want the sound effect. Oh, and it's spicy. Alright, let me disclaimer. It's not hot, but when I eat spicy stuff, I get the coughing and stuff. I don't know why, but I'm gonna try to hold that down a little bit. So I'm gonna be drinking a lot of water. This is so good. Coming up on here, embarrassing myself, coughing, because I done made it too hot. But yeah, like I said, it took a lot to get this mukbang together, y'all. This is by far the hardest video that I had to record. And yeah. So, what we talking about today? What we talking about? I'm going to try to eat a little bit first before I really get into talking. Because I'm hungry. So, I want some onions. Let's see if I can get an onion. Hopefully I don't cough. I don't know if y'all want the sound effect. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Like, it's supposed to be smacking. Oh Lord. See, shout out to Bloves them, cause Lord, I'm gonna have to have tough skin for this right here. Just knuckle me, baby. And another reason I can't do no mukbangs is because I go from one thing to another. One thing to another. I don't stick on the same. I don't finish what I'm eating in my hand. I like to eat everything at once. Y'all see that? The eggs be the best part. I promise you. Y'all, I ain't eat all day. I had some fries. And that was it. And I'm sure it's like 10 o'clock because it took me forever to get everything together. It took me forever. Where my lobster tail at, y'all? Now, I just told myself I wasn't going to dip it in the sauce too much so I won't cough, but oh, I ain't trying no potato yet. Let me try a potato. Let me try a potato. And it's still hot. I want some onions on it too. Hold on. Because I ain't got time. Can I sit this right here? Yeah, I ain't got time to be coughing. I don't too much eat spicy food like that. Like a piece of hair. I don't too much eat spicy food like that. Like spicy food. I like mild. I just feel like I like mild food. I'm not a spicy person at all. Anyway, so I thought I'll touch on a bit on this conversation and hopefully I make sense to y'all or y'all get what I'm saying. But the other day, me and my friend was talking about like people coming out, like younger kids coming out, like kids that's under 18. And I was telling her, like, I feel like if you're under 18 and you're scared to come out to your parents because they are homophobic or because, you know, they're going to disown you or kick you out, I feel like you just should wait, suck it up those couple of years, and when you turn 18, you get a job and you get up out of your parents' house, then you can tell them that you gay. And the only reason why I say that is because once you pay all your own bills and out of their house, I'm glad they already got this pre-cut. It's nothing they can really say. Like, I mean, of course they're gonna have their opinions about it, but you don't have to worry about them putting you out. You don't have to, you know, worry about them being so mad at you and y'all live in the same house. Like, you can just live your life. That's just how I feel. Like, just wait. I know. Oh my God. That is so good. I know it may seem, oh y'all, I hope I can get this whole thing out, like a long time to wait to come out to your parents, but I say wait. Y'all, I'm trying to get it out without messing it up. Oh shoot. I don't want to mess it up, y'all. Oh, we go pray. Cross your fingers. Oh. Hold on. The vein. Boom. Ow. Ow. But like I was saying, maybe I shouldn't talk and I should just shut up. Because this is so good. Y'all keep closing my eyes. I didn't even taste my corn yet. I'm telling you, don't do no mukbang if you're trying to keep it classy, baby. Cause it's over. It's over. How do y'all eat? I'm going all the way off topic. I'm gonna say this, and then I'm gonna go back to what I was saying. How y'all eat seafood boys every day? Like the salt. If I eat too much salt, I could. It just seems like my pressure just start rising right then and there. Y'all, this was good. This is so good. I love the knuckle meat. Oh my god. Whew. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Like, I feel like you should just wait because it's like you living by your rules. You're not living by your parents' rules. You're not in the same household, walking on eggshells. Like, it's your way. And yes, they may not agree with you, but they'll at that point they'll have to respect you in your lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? They'll have to respect you in your lifestyle. So my thing is like, just wait. I know, like right now, it may seem like 18 or getting out of your parents' house is so far away, but I promise you, it's gonna come faster than you think. It's gonna come way faster than you think. Cause honey, I promise you, I was just 12. I was just 11, and I honestly can't remember. I can't even remember me wishing to be an adult. Like, if I knew adulthood and my adult life was gonna be like this, I would have stayed a baby. Listen. Alright, let me try these snow crabs. Now, snow crabs used to be my thing. I just recently taste king crab. Like, recently. And when I taste it, baby, your life will never be the same. Look at that. Your life will never be the same. I'm glad I changed from a white shirt. If you try king crab. Come on now. Thank you. Mmm. Mmm. I need somebody to taste my sauce to make sure I'm not exaggerating. I think it's good. Whew. I can't eat too much of it, but at first I wasn't even gonna make no corn, but I was like, this is my first mukbang. I can't be half stepping. I don't eat like mussels and oysters, so y'all don't have to worry about that for me. Sorry. Sorry you guys. But yeah. I know I know a good bit of people who did wait to come out. Well, waited till they got older to kind of like be themselves. And ooh, let me try. Delete that. I think it's better that way. This is my opinion. What do I know? What do I know? I never came out. I just did me. So I never came. Well, I guess I just came out. I guess I just came out on my mukbang. But a lot of people already knew. Like, I never really came out. I just like what I like. Period. I don't even put no name to what the heck I do. I just like what I like. If I like you, I like you. If I don't, I don't. Period. Just I'm gonna put a little bit of sauce. Look at all that seasoning on there, y'all. I season that good. Can y'all see what my hand doing? I season that good. My kids went ahead and ate theirs. Ate their crab legs. I was gonna make some rice, but I had made jambalaya, so it was kind of pointless of making white rice. Ooh. How long do these things supposed to last? Like, maybe next time I'll do it with somebody. I'm not gonna do a lot of these, I can tell you that. But maybe next time I'll do it with somebody to kind of have somebody to talk to. Because this is weird talking to the camera. I mean, it's not weird talking to the camera because it's just weird because it's like I'm eating and talking to the camera. But it's not my first mukbang because I did one the other day in the car. But that was just a trial run. And it was pizza. And it was good. It didn't take that long. And I don't know why I'm dancing, like dancing to the crickets. It is so good. I hope my crush go ahead and see this video, so when we do decide to go on a date, I won't be shy to eat in front of him. Or I don't know who my crush is, but I'm just speaking into existence. Speaking of crushes and relationship, ships. Am I in a relationship? Am I in a relationship? No. Do I want to be in a relationship? Not right now. Honestly, I don't. I really am finding myself. Like, since I got married so young, it was like I skipped the part of really, really finding myself. I knew what I wanted to do, but I didn't know about me and how I want to be loved and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was so young, so I didn't know too much about relationships. I just thought I was just so in love, which I was. I ain't lie. I was in love. Like, come pick me up from school every day type love. Like, oh my God. It just seemed like just talking about it is so hilarious. Like, I'm so glad I could just laugh about my past relationship. Like, cause I used to be so sad about it. But y'all, I used to be so in love. When we met in 12th grade, and let me eat. We met in 12th grade, y'all. We was working at the same restaurant, and At first, I did not want to talk to him. I did not want to talk to him. Like, something told me back then. Keep going, Kanisha. Don't look back. He told his cousin to give me the number. His number. I ain't called him. It took me a while to call him. Then I finally called him. And from that moment on, it was just, oh, I'm so in love. You coming to pick me up from school today? Okay. I don't think I'm going to go to my last period class, so you could just come get me. But I was in 12th grade, so I couldn't, like, miss too many days of school. Because I was behind already, so. You can come pick me up today. Oh, I'm going to come to your house. Then we broke up. We broke up, like, I promise you, we broke up probably, like, I don't know how many times me and that boy broke up. Like, we broke up, and this was around the time, like, he stayed getting a new number. Like, stayed getting a new number. Stayed getting a new phone. So, like, we broke up or whatever. And he, at the time when we broke up, he had got a new phone. And he called me like, I just want to give you my new number. Like, nigga, we broke up. Why you giving me your number? Like, we broke up. And then it happened again. We broke up again. He called me. I just want to give you my new number. Like, he had switched phones twice until he found the phone that he really, really wanted. But it is probably not that he wanted to switch numbers. It's because who he was going to get his phones. Like, it was this phone man. He was very, like, popular. Everybody used to go to him. Everybody used to go to him. I used to go to him too. Like, I got my Nokia from him and everything. We broke up again. He called me, let me know. Oh, I just want to give you my new number. We broke up so many times. But that was my boo. Like, we went to separate schools, so it was like, shoot, he probably had a whole girlfriend then. But I know he was messing with somebody then. But you couldn't tell me I was not in love. Got to college. He went to the college like 30 minutes away from mine. Then that summer semester, I ended up getting pregnant. And I ain't go back. I wish I would have went back, y'all. I could have saved so much money by staying at the college. I could have saved at least $20,000 by going to that college. But no, I wanted to be in love and be pregnant. So, that's what happened. But anyways, back to what I was saying. Back to what I was saying before I got off track. I'm not going to eat that because that... Back to what I was saying before I got off track. Right now, I'm really trying to find myself before I turn 30. I got a few more months. I'm trying to find myself. Find how I want to be loved. What's my love language. How I want to be touched. How I want to be kissed. You know what I'm saying? And secure in my relationship. I have trust issues right now. So I'll be stupid to go get into a relationship when I got a whole bunch of trust issues right now. Right? I'm not in no rush. I ain't been in a relationship in 3 years. And I ain't in no rush. But the reason why I ain't been in a relationship for 3 years is that's for a whole nother video. Listen. That's a whole nother video. So, y'all, don't get mad at me. I'm full. I'm full. How do they do it? I I'm big, but I'm not big off of food. Like, Jesus, how they do it. And then when I wait too long to eat, it's hard for me to eat a lot. Like, like I was saying, anybody out there? Hold on, let me finish one of. If you're out there and you're young and you are afraid to come out to your parents, if you feel like your parents is gonna be cool with it, tell them. But if you feel like your mama and daddy gonna flip, baby, shut your mouth until you get out, you get grown on your own. I promise you. The way these years flying by, listen. I promise you gonna be patient to tell them. I promise you. Just be patient and tell them later. Tell them later. Don't tell them now. Yeah. Yeah, don't tell them now. Sure, tell them later. This is my opinion. Alright, so I don't know why these shrimp acting crazy. Then they say colossal shrimp. These are not no colossal shrimp. Well, I can't afford to do this, so don't be requesting no mukbangs up in my comments or my inbox. You must have gone buy it for me, cause baby, nope. And I can't eat this salty stuff every day. Hold on now. Look, I still got dang on crab left. It ain't a lot left though. It ain't a lot. I think I did good. Though. But yeah. I gotta go wash these hands. Yeah, I was not gonna take a shower until after I did my mukbang, but I was like, I need to wake up. I've been in the streets. I feel so dirty, so I went ahead and took a shower. I'm trying to think. Yeah, let me. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to my first official seafood mukbang. I do want to thank everybody who has subscribed to my channel. I'm trying to do a 200 subscriber giveaway, so I need a few more subscribers. Make sure you tell your people, your fans, your subscribers, everybody on Instagram to go ahead and follow I Am Bella K on YouTube. Make sure you comment, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Like, I post all the time now, so it's like you don't want to miss when I post. So go ahead and hit that notification bell. You feel me? Like, I actually did enjoy doing this. Besides me getting full super fast, I really did enjoy doing this. But thank y'all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.